Hi, welcome back. I'll show you how you can speed up or slow down your layer in a composition in After Effects. So let's say if we have this footage of grilled skewers, just like this, and then to speed it up or slow it down, right click on the layer and then head over to time and then head over to time stretch, and then let's say if we type 50 so that it's sped up. Now your footage is sped up just like this. To slow it down, right click on it again, time, and then time stretch, and then let's say if you want to type 200, and now your video or your footage is slowed down. So yeah, I hope it will help you with, adjusting the duration of your footage so that you can have the sped up or this slowed down footage the way you want. That's how you can speed up or slow down a layer, in this case a footage, for your composition in After Effects. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.